Have you been trying to succeed with affiliate marketing, but you don't have your own website? Maybe you're not very technical, you don't know how to create one, or maybe you just don't have access to one, but you still want to generate consistent commissions like you see on this screen right here, where I was actually able to generate $18,514 with still a pending balance of income coming in. Now, this was done without me creating my own website. Even though I've been doing affiliate marketing for a long time, I still leverage the exact strategy I'm going to share with you inside this video to actually get access to a website without having to be that technical myself. And also, if you want to implement exactly what I'm sharing and get access to all these resources that you'll be seeing inside this video, just go to the link directly below and you can get access to much more information. But without further ado, I want to share with you how this is going to work. So one of the things you can do is you can go to an affiliate marketplace. Okay, so there's a site like ClickBank.com. Now, ClickBank is actually a marketplace that lists tons and tons of different affiliate offers that you can promote. And again, as you stick with me throughout this video, you'll see that you don't really need to have your own website to start to generate specific commissions. And a little bit later, once you actually apply this, I'm going to share with you a free traffic strategy to get laser targeted leads going to your affiliate offers and deciding to buy. So you can go to ClickBank and you can just start here by clicking that button at the top right. And then you can just create a free account inside of ClickBank. Okay, you just fill out these simple little questions, go through, and then you'll actually get access to a free account. And then once you do, you want to log in and you want to go to the marketplace. Now, this is going to list all these different categories of products. Okay, so you can see right here, there's health and fitness, there's e-business, e-marketing. Now, for this specific strategy, without needing a website, you can really go into any niche. The main three I'm going to recommend you always focus on if you want money for a very long time is health, wealth, and relationships. These are the big three evergreen niches. They're always relevant. People always want to improve their health. They always want to improve their wealth and their relationships. So that's what we're going to do in this video. And I'm going to actually focus on making money, as I know a lot of people who watch my videos are in the make money online niche. So in ClickBank, that's usually the e-business and e-marketing category. Okay, so you want to click on there, and this is going to list all these different products. So all these different names right here are products that you can actually start promoting to generate affiliate commissions. Okay, now you can go through, but what you want to do, the hack to find the best products on ClickBank that's going to make you the most money, is to go here, okay, where it says sort results by, and we want to sort results by gravity high to low. Okay, the reason is gravity, as you can see right here, this gravity score of 100, that is really good. That is a score on how well, okay, if I zoom in here, how well these products are actually selling. So the higher the gravity score, the more other people are actually making sales promoting it. And that's actually a good thing. We want to promote products that other people are successfully promoting. So we want to look through the gravity score. Anything above 20 is good, but obviously the higher the better. We also want to look at the average dollar per conversion. Okay, so this is after all the upsells and downsells, right? What is the average amount that we're going to actually make per sale? So this right here is $68. You know, that's not bad. This is $10. Obviously, we want to make the most amount of money as possible. So I recommend anything at least above $50. Okay, so this could qualify. This could qualify, okay, and this is really good, right? So it has a gravity score of 47 and it has above a 50. So that's meeting our criteria. But the next thing you want to look for on ClickBank is also a offer that has a funnel in place. Okay, now a funnel is going to be something like this. So this is how the process to make consistent income online works. Okay, now this is a funnel. Basically, okay, if you focus on these parts here, there's going to be a capture page, which is a page that collects our prospect's email, a sales page that actually sells the product, and then follow-up emails. Okay, these right here that will go out to people that have put their email in, sending them back to our offer until they're ready to buy, making us commissions here. Now, because we don't have our own website, okay, we don't have access to this right here. We don't have a capture page. Right? We don't have a funnel because we don't have our own website, right? If you're watching this video. So how do we get around that? Well, you can look for products on ClickBank that give you a funnel, okay? Now, it's not that common, but I did find one right here. Like, for example, this John Thorhill's ambassador program. If you click promote on ClickBank, okay, any product that you want to promote, you click promote there, enter your affiliate nickname. That's the username you created when you created an account. And then you just go down to the bottom and you copy this right here. This is your affiliate link. This is the link to promote, as I'll share that free traffic and promotion strategy in just a second in this video as you keep watching. But basically what's going to happen is when you go to this link, okay, so if you go there, you're going to see that this specific offer has a funnel. Okay, so when someone clicks here, they put their name and email. Now this person, okay, this owner of this product is going to follow up with those people. And if they actually buy, you're going to be able to make a sale. Okay, so you don't need a website because they give you a website, right? So this is one strategy you can use. You can go to a site like ClickBank, find a product that has a funnel, and you can go ahead and do that. Now, I will share there are some drawbacks to using ClickBank or a site like JVZoo, which is another affiliate marketplace, to find a website. And that is you don't have customization. You can't change anything. You don't have a lot of control. And also the payouts with ClickBank can be very slow. Okay, sometimes they can be up to 30 days to get paid, which if you want to make money as fast as possible, that's not the best thing. So if we want to implement a funnel, one way you could do that is you could actually join an online program, okay, like a affiliate program that's going to give you a funnel that you can actually customize and personalize to yourself, increasing how many sales you make. So one such program that I always recommend people consider is something called Legacy Builder. Okay, so Legacy Builder is a done-for-you program that gives you, if you go into the training down here, an automated business. Okay, so it gives you the funnel, it gives you the training on how to set everything up, how to import your sales page into a site like System.io, which is a free funnel builder and email autoresponder software up to your first 2,000 contacts. And you can go ahead and set this up. And again, one of the benefits is, number one, when you make sales with the Legacy Builder program, you get paid instantly. Okay, you literally get paid instant 100% commissions, and you get to control the funnel. So for example, this is what the follow-up emails look like that they give you inside a Legacy Builder. And you can change these emails, right? You can add a photo of yourself, or you can add different wording, you know, to make it more customized so you can increase your sales. Okay, so again, there will be a link directly below if you want to find out more about the Legacy Builder program, as well as get access to over $6,000 worth of bonuses for free if you do decide to join through me. But now that we understand how to start doing affiliate marketing without a website, and again, you want to look for programs or offers that give you done-for-you funnels, okay? Now, all we want to do is we want to start posting content online, okay, right here, getting as many people going to the link that we're promoting. Your sole goal as an affiliate marketer is to promote a link, okay? So again, once you have that funnel, now we want to promote. Now, there's many different social media platforms you can promote offers on, okay? Pretty much all the main big ones. But in this video, I'm going to focus on Facebook, okay? So I'm going to share with you exactly how you can start making sales on Facebook for free. So chances are you have a Facebook profile. Now, what you want to do is, if you have a lot of family and friends and you don't want to market on your main profile, just create a new Facebook profile, okay? If you don't care, and maybe you have some friends and family that may be interested in buying whatever products you're promoting, then you can just go ahead and use your main profile. Now, what you want to do first off is you want to understand what niche you're in. Okay, so in the sake of this video, we're in the make money online niche. So what you want to do is you want to have a cover photo to brand what you're doing. Now, ideally, you want to brand yourself. People buy from people, not, you know, just big companies and faceless, you know, things like that. Now, you can do a faceless brand, but ideally on Facebook, it's more about being personal and things like that. So for a cover, all you have to do is just go to canva.com, which is a free site, and you just search in Facebook cover, and then has all these different templates. Okay, so for example, you could use this template, you could edit this text, you know, put your name on here, and then you can make this your Facebook cover. So the whole goal is we just want to look professional, we just want to look like we're successful, so people would want to buy from us, okay? For the profile photo, I recommend a good photo of yourself. Again, on Facebook, it's more about, you know, personal. And then the intro, you can share a little bit more about the niche you're in, how you help people, things like that. So for example, I said digital marketer, world traveler, and then I say right here, teaching how to make commissions on autopilot. Okay, because that is what I do on my profile. And you can write something like that as well. Feel free to, model after what I'm doing because it's working. Now on your Facebook, once it's set up, the next thing we want to do is we want to start getting friends to, add us on our profile. Okay, because the more friends we get that are very targeted in this niche, the more people that are going to see our posts, the more people that are going to see our link and ultimately buy. So how do we start getting the right people as friends? What we want to do is we want to go into the search bar and we want to type in a few words that have to do with our niche. In this example, make money online. Then just go down here and click on groups to filter by groups. Okay, and then we just want to start joining some of these larger groups. You can see 131 members. We want to join these groups. And once you're a member, you want to go in here and we want to go to people. Okay, the tab right here, people, if I zoom in here. And what we want to do is we want to scroll down and we want to look for members with things in common. So these people are people that have mutual friends. Now, when you just start this, if you have a brand new account, you're not going to have a lot of mutual friends with anyone because you don't have a lot of friends. So then you would just start with the main list of people. But for this, we want to look for members with things in common. And then, the more mutual friends, sometimes the better, because you can actually add a lot more people without any problem because Facebook will think you must know them. So we just want to go down and we just want to add these people as friends. Okay, send them a friend request. Now, you don't want to do too many at once. Okay, I recommend anywhere from 20 to 30 friend requests a day. And then you do that consistently. Okay, because again, especially if you have a brand new Facebook account, you don't want to go too crazy. Facebook may temporarily restrict access to your account. So you want to go slow, add 20 to 30 people a day. People will see your profile and then they will decide whether or not they want to follow you back, add you as a friend, accept your request. Now, as you start building your friends list, now we want to start posting content on our actual page. Now, don't worry about getting too much engagement. This is a myth. You do not have to get a lot of likes to get a lot of sales. Okay, some people, like for example, some of my last posts, you can see 4 likes, 3 likes, but it doesn't matter because people are watching and people will actually still go to your link or ask you for information, even if they're not commenting. So there's a couple posts we want to do. Number one is we want to do like motivational posts. So you can just go to Google and search in motivational quotes and you can just find photos of these motivational quotes like this, and you can just post these on your Facebook profile. Okay, what's going to happen is people that are resonating with that because they're in the make money online or that niche, and obviously if you're in another niche, you want to find different quotes. Like you could do like health, right? Health tips, right? And you could use, these if you're in the health and fitness niche as posts on your Facebook. And then once you post that, okay, you want to do that every 2 or 3 days, post this. Then once you start doing that and people start liking your posts, then you want to do a post like this. Okay, so this is how we're going to start making money. You want to basically do a short post that's going to catch people's attention, that's related to the offer. And then we want to give people a call to action to tell them to comment for more information. So the way this works is this basically piques their interest. Okay, and then we tell them, hey, the only way you can find out what this is by commenting. And then what happens is, and I got 170 comments right here, people will comment me, and then you just send them the link. You literally just go to these people, you message them and you say, hey, I saw you wanted information, here's the link, right? So very, very effective strategy. Again, you want to do both of these. You don't just want to do this type of post because people think you're just always pitching and you're not going to get a lot of engagement. You want to do motivation, inspiration, value, and then one of those pitch posts. Okay, so you want to vary them. And then that's how you're going to start getting people going to your funnel and then ultimately buying. I hope this made sense. I hope you now see that you really don't need to have your own website. You don't need to be technical to still make a lot of money with affiliate marketing. Again, if you want to implement this and you want a done for you customizable funnel, as well as instant paying commissions and over $6,000 worth of free bonuses, click the link directly below and check that out. Also, like the video if you got value, subscribe so you don't miss out on my latest videos. And until next time, my friend, thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.